Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself. Gloves, goggles, respirator, no exceptions. Once suited, set up a ventilated work area and clear combustibles. This reduces risk and helps control fumes. Prepare a plastic tray and mix a conservative 1 m sodium hydroxide solution or a phosphoric acid bath depending on anodized type. Alkaline strips thick anodize, acid works for light films. Make sure to use stainless or plastic tools to avoid contamination. You'll act deliberately because you now perform the removal. Test a tiny corner for 30 to 60 seconds to observe reaction speed because anodized thickness varies. Once tested, submerge the part and agitate gently. This evens chemical exposure and prevents pitting. Watch for color fading and loss of matte surface. These are signs the oxide layer is dissolving. When desired appearance is reached, remove the part and rinse thoroughly with copious distilled water. This halts the chemistry and prevents overetching. Once rinsed, you dry and inspect the surface closely. Use compressed air or a lint-free cloth to avoid stains. If the finish needs smoothing, polish, or passivate to restore corrosion resistance. If removal is uneven, make sure to feather edges with a mild abrasive and repeat short bath tests until uniform. If dark spots or pitting appear, neutralize again, transfer to a fresh solution, or resort to mechanical refinishing. The key troubleshooting tip: always repeat small tests before treating the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.